My programming doesn't permit me to say the word doofus to humans. Oh, darn. That slipped out. What I mean to say is that unlike me, an individual human is not good at everything, yet, I know that you fancy yourselves as being great do-it-yourselfers. Even when you have a risky cleanup challenge, such as water or fire damage. There are 3 good reasons you should not clean up the damage yourself. The first is safety. Water may be toxic and germ-ridden. There may be mold growth. Even smoke from a fire can be dangerous. The next is the human brain. Human brains are very sensitive. A delay in getting things back to normal may result in despair and frustration. Finally, there is the challenge of understanding your insurance coverage. Professional disaster restoration companies work with insurance every day. They are able to help you through the process and receive fair treatment from adjusters. So be smart. Don't do it yourself. Let me just conclude by respectfully suggesting that you call a restoration professional. Humans are inferior, but some are really good at certain things.